Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney Office Hours from February 15th. This is a fun one. They are working hard on version 5, and David apologizes for any issues in version 4. And he said, to be honest, they don't understand why the issues are there in version 4, because they are not present in version 5. V5 is a new code, it's better at photorealism, it's better at hands, it's not perfect, but it's better. They might launch version 5 without an upscaler, but the default resolution will be as high as the current upscaler, you know what I mean? And there's a potential to go up to 8K in the future. There is some progress on the version 4 tiling. There's no timetable for release, and actually, as he was speaking, he asked his team what they thought about it. So there's no guarantee for version 4, they might just wait for version 5. They're doing more experimenting with in-painting and out-painting and real-time drawing. The issues come from Midjourney being a different algorithm than Stable Diffusion. So some of the things that work in other systems don't work as well here. However, outpainting seems to work. There will be some sort of zoom out feature, and this could work on version 4, but will probably just be held for version 5. In-painting isn't working well right now, although they do have some ideas on how to improve it. And apparently they have some pretty cool proof of concepts for drawing in real time. The new rating system will be here soon, and they're going to test it on version 4. It's going to be some kind of contest with all of the version 4 images ever made. Which one will win? It sounds great. There could be prizes to the people who made the top version 4 images, and then another ranking round for version 5 as it becomes ready. Could be another week or two away. And at some point, the new rating system will be integrated into the daily theme. I think that could be really cool and engaging for the community. Alright, then he started talking about the future. The version 5, version 6, version 7 train. Instead of cramming all of the features into version 5, they're going to spread it out. Version 4 to version 5 has been about 4 or 5 months. David's goal is to have a new version out every month or two. So 5, 6, and 7 should come out in quicker succession. In fact, they have people working on version 6 right now, and he is thoroughly excited for version 5. They're also pushing hard on the website right now, trying to simplify the image creation side of things. There will be some new features eventually around unique images that get made. He also said that the new search feature is starting to work well, but I found this interesting. Searching over all images ever made is somehow easier than searching individual galleries. He said they need a dedicated person for that job, so we have to stay tuned for that. The overall image search could come in the next week. Now on to some Discord problems. Apparently the Discord server is getting too big, and that there's a risk they might have to divide everyone into multiple Discord servers. Sounds like a frustrating problem to me. He said that the main issue is that trial users come in too fast, so they could just have a trial user server and then invite them over to the main one after. He had thoughts about making regional servers, but apparently there's some weird legal ramifications of that. I don't know what he meant. It sounded like a pain in the butt. More events might be coming soon, like art classes or something like that. And since there are a lot of celebrities on the server, they might have little celebrity events for brainstorming with the community. On to the Midjourney magazine. It could be coming out in the next month or so. The first issue could be free, but probably won't always be free just because of shipping costs. It's going to be mostly interviews and pictures, part news, part community showcase. Probably won't have a PDF version. He wants to make physical objects. He said there was a small chance they do partnerships with other platforms where the Midjourney bot could show up on another platform, and I don't know what he meant by this. Could that be like WhatsApp or Instagram? I'm not sure. And the last thing he mentioned was image to text at some point. They think they can have a special image to text algorithm where it would not just say what the image is, but provide the best possible prompt to get an image just like that. He said it could be better than anything that has existed. I think that sounds exciting, but it's a feature for the future. There's a recap of the Midjourney Office Hours. I hope you're doing well. Take care, and I'll see you next time.